Hello and welcome to Asian Petrolhead. Guys, we got caught off, so we'll just do over, okay? Last week we showed you the design of new Sonata, 8th generation all new Sonata. And today we're starting this live feed because Hyundai is also displaying Sonata Turbo and Hybrid right here at the 2019 Seoul Motor Show. So if you have any questions, because we're doing this live, if you have any questions, just let us know through the comments. Or if you want to see anything, let us know through the comments. So let's start with Turbo. Come on. Okay. Let's start on this side. Although this Turbo is using same hood line and same DRL right here. And I think many of you will like this design because this one, look, it doesn't have any chrome accents on the new grille. Last week, many of you complained about too much excessive chrome used on the front, but this one, they fixed it. They're just using the black kind of glossy grille without any chrome accents. This guy is also free from the chrome accents, which ran across the whole front. So I hope that fixes some of your complaints about excessive chrome being used up front. Bigger openings with air curtains on each side, revised lower bumper. It's got a more aggressive spoiler, lip spoiler on the front. But it's quite unfortunate they locked the door, so we cannot show you the engine bay or the interior. But I heard this Turbo is using 1.6 liter turbocharged gasoline engine, producing 180 horsepower. It's not 2 liter turbo or 2.4 liter. It's just 1.6 liter turbo. And I'm quite surprised it has made it to not 7-speed DCT, just regular 8-speed with torque converter. So we'll see how it actually drives when we get the press car. So that's what it looks like from the front. Guys, let me know. I personally think it looks much better. Let me know what you think about the front design. And let me show you the new rims. This is 19-inch. 2 liter only had up to 18-inch rim, but this is 19-inch. It's 245, 40, 19 used on front and back. It's Pirelli P0. So let us also know what you think about the wheel design. High glossy side mirrors, side skirts. That's only the difference I see from the side. And one more big surprise. I thought they were going to use dual exhaust, but no, just single here. So that's quite a bummer. Revised bumper with even fins on the bottom. Not sure how much it will help, but it looks quite aggressive. And on the top, not much difference. And many of you say it looks like a Honda Civic, but I hope you see this car in person because it doesn't look like Civic. It's much narrower and it's kind of U-shaped, not a C-shape, so it looks quite different. And yeah, it still has that fins on the top. Not sure how much it helps, but that's what Turbo looks like. If you have any questions, let us know through the comment section. If you have any questions about the Turbo. So, okay, let me show you the hybrid version now. And quite unfortunate. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna like it, but I promise you this is not chrome. But for the hybrid version, they used lots of kind of metal type accents on the grille. It's got a new grille, and other than that, it looks very similar. And like I told you, they locked the door, so we cannot show you the engine bay or the inside of the gauge cluster, so on. So, but I heard. And Hyundai is not giving us any information about the powertrain or battery or efficiency numbers, but they say they're targeting to have 10% increase in efficiency. So let me show you. And Hyundai says they are gonna achieve it by using solar panels on the top right here. It's got 2-piece, and it looks like that. It's got shark antenna on the bottom. So. And Hyundai also says within a year you can drive up to 800 miles just off the charges coming from the solar panel. So that is something to think about. We'll show you how efficient it is. Hyundai says they're gonna launch hybrid version first in Korea in June and turbo model in July. So we'll also show you how well it drives once we get the press car. Behind is pretty much the same. They're not even using hybrid logos or anything like that, but I'm sure they'll put something once before they start selling it. Hidden type muffler right here, just like a 2-liter regular. If you let us know if you have any questions. Okay, before we end, sorry about the connection problems. I will edit this and upload the whole package to you guys so that you can see Sonata Turbo and Hybrid, and also behind scenes. I'd like to show you the Nexo section they have prepared for us. Nexo is Hyundai's hydrogen fuel cell electric car, which will require very clean air for efficient chemical reaction. So if you drive the Nexo around, it will actually purify the air for you guys. So right here they have this very cynical end. Nexo emits only water, no smoke, no anything like that, but only water. It comes down some air behind here, but it only emits water, so it's kind of very eco-friendly car. I like this car. And let's move over there because they also have N section. So let's move a little bit quickly. Yes. So right here. Oh, they're doing the shout race. If you shout louder, I guess you win. So they're doing that too. And to the left, they have I-20 WRC rally car right here. So I think this is the actual one that ran the race. Looks like that. And we have a pace car. And to the right, we have I-30 and N9, which is like a Forte GT with a 1.6-liter turbo. So, and then this is actually world premiere. It's like a show car, carbon attachments, yellow accents on the hood, and they said same powertrain, 275 horsepower, but just dressed up for the show. Bigger brakes, bigger calipers, and pillated tires. And the inside, bucket seats and suedes and stitching accents. Wow. So that's it. I wanted to really show you the N section as well. See below, behind, it's got bigger spoilers. Yes, bigger spoilers. Wow, that's big. And fin type here. The skirts. They're doing the shock race right now. And better exhaust system. That's quite interesting. So whoever shouts louder wins the race, I guess. Yes. And right here is a Veloster end, regular ends. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm sorry for the internet connections, but I will edit this and upload it for you guys so you can see everything. Thank you guys so much for tuning, and like I said, the hybrid version Sonata will be launched in July sometime here in Korea, and the turbo model will be launched in July. And I asked one of the officials from Hyundai, and they'll start exporting the new Sonata starting sometime end of this year. starting from the US market. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll be back with more exciting car reviews and contents. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you.